konfoboni a osi oman mo no otemu bi aya na reho se unya sebe amanfo betena radio so a omo nka sem papa bia emom Ghana enhye nko. And every time when I speak about this fix the country any of my agenda no na me din kan ma media na tiase say it took one stupid journalist kill the cockroaches and a tutsis and a hutsus e wui e Rwanda mo doorstep na nkofo be started in sekan na ba when people are fed up with intona mu twana e be true baby no they will strike on you say my imagine say mo instigate public no against their leaders no be a wako law school betumi aka say oko Harvard o wanko UCC na eko ibi no oko Harvard a Harvard lawyer at this point in time to meet na radio so etumi ka say yentu constitution nim tontwini a treasonable offense. This is treasonable offense because constitution can stipulate article 2 or so a kind of point blank say any attempt ni pebi obe attempt o obe attempt so obe to constitution na egu no say ye di na sem na odi for the punishment is death. So in the dialogue now they will see yemfa choboy yentu. How do you despair Jesus Christ? I have been one say me tie okateshia frifa at the point in time what me kasana wasana tono no me hu se sa me predesa pani agimi ampa enye pani bia de nim nyansa. So Ghana, for these guys are using your mind to play tata ludu no mode to okatechie nu mu asem say onim policy formulation A plus because A plus e level 200 and on level 400 into we mo the Ghana eba by experiment project work o mo the Ghana governance eba project work. Hey Ghana, yeah mistake na me blame you obi me blame social media and NPP communication. Me blame baby social media and NPP communication. 1 week and one fast track. So be catch out say or level 400 in policy formulation or afen oko school or nye impo on practicing you theory na oko sua A plus or level 200 and o katachia free for e level 400 omo the Ghana be experiment Ghana baba be theory omo the be experiment. These are the people calling for a new leadership, calling for youthful leadership omo be Ghana so selfless leadership, people who are gullible like themselves. Okay, take free for the car here. Or see the reason why A plus and A plus bisa say after demonstration, what next? How many policies be and on no babe chilling. You see, the Okako school, no what the whole Ghana no what the Ghana Baba Bedani can say project work. And over trust some media my the fact hit. They just can't stand the heat. We have one Ghana, but the end is not seeing you. I was for Okateche free for say or level 400. I think was your policy formulation. And an A plus back A plus babano or level 200. Into a moon saying in this obisa say omo policies were here. Or person say you need to set an agenda, not public new ones. You see, these people are so cheap in knowledge. So cheap in knowledge. No man can of what you here. Me say me Semi Wotumia and me Nentino, but Meka, I will regulate the way people use social media in Ghana. Just like you would Dubai. If I have the opportunity, National Communication Authority, I will regulate how you people use social media in Ghana. Because more than social media you see. You are the most less endowed people of Ghana. Social media, no she and one say we talk data 2 cities are not the become the deep benefit then you get a you onion kofwa ombedia. They went to Harvard, my foot. Grace, Uncle Harvard. Me, if I have the opportunity, something Kasemba a communication authority or Ghana, make a say regulate the usage of social media in Ghana. I used to watch that passport grandparents on YouTube. Because you know how this social media can destroy a whole community and a whole country. Say and this is a propaganda being propagated by NDC gradually. Nkofoni isuadie, nkofoni hunyansa omoniti. Ntomu njesa ayentro ni ntwam aloteje ko beka kire yese. Omu twantro to former president Kofo say wakwa ko wia $5 million na yentro. You see this kind of a party. Omo formulating throw the to papa so who should we vote for? We should vote for A+. Alote Jacobs. Ebe confess here say they lied against the former president. So I got $5 million a day. Na yentro. A party obet me catch the followers say Sekufo win presidency or the Pubeko Kumasi. Na be munso agedi. And they won the elections in Ghana. These are how cheap and gullible some people are in Ghana. It's a very simple say, oh, Yanko. So you go to the ghettos. Yanko ghetto, Yanko, Yako di 1.5 million, Yan check a cram more money for a cram. You see, a drew A plus, sorry, Namusu. Scanner on Kochedi and Namusu. Regular social media, you said. That is why we need to fix the country. Yeah, Grace Aqua. Yeah. Country need the Obianka say, Mamian fix it. But somebody is fixing the country. Somebody is fixing Grace. The country is not yet fixed, but it is in the process of being fixed. Man, you can't tell me to fix the country near A+, people who are now studying policy formulation, level 200, level 400, and about the Ghana Baba, and now Grace, why would you want the A+? So on for life, I'm a chacha. I feel also the way it's be policy formulation. Or no, the Mians are saying, oh, school the way. Ah, tried and tested. The world is ruled by people, men who have intellect, not people who are seeking those stupid opportunities. That's what the world are. We are saying, Nipa oma dream we be na ebu mainu. Corruption even in US every now and then people are being tried. Nti say ni ho. Ghana e komo di Ghana for e no kre. But momu nka say na nado waye zero, waye aduma. If we want us to go back to John Dramani Mahama, so ye aduma Matthias here. Nanado de onye shi in 5 years onye shi. Ghana for Nanado onye shi in 5 years Matthias here. But a day in pa na ubejina so what basis and your propaganda? Now the because Nanado onye shi. This is because the communication machinery in NPP is weak. Mr. Yawabia Samwa, wake up. We are lawyer, unim kasa, wake up. Have you finished your attitude? Wake up. Let Ghanaians see. Sing the song of Ronaldo. Ejuma waye. Say minimum every morning. Baby beko biya ano. You best start outlining what the president has done. What NPP has done and sana. Political show biya shasiye. You have about 5 minutes. I use 2 minutes to showcase what Nanado is doing. Let people listen to you. Start a hashtag that is going to go viral with what the country is being moved to. Baby, a country needs to be equal. Mr. Yawabia Samwa also start a hashtag. I make sure the way NPP Ghana. Men when you say Ghanaians will be descending enough. No matter so why are the NPP break the 8? You are lying. It is never true.